So today we're gonna solve a Rubik's Cube and learn to solve one. So before you solve it, you have to know these first few algorithms so that you can solve it. And first thing, always keep the white side on the bottom and the yellow side on the top until the very end. The very end will turn on the white side, but don't need to worry about that right now. So the first algorithm you need to know is the right algorithm, where you take the right side, not the left side, but the right side up, and then you take the top left, so you go that way, and then you'll take the right side and go down, and then the top right. And if you do that, five more times, I should say, then you'll actually, if we do it 3 more times, so that's the middle mark, then we do it 3 more times, like that, and we should have it completed. But the left algorithm, it's just the complete opposite, where you take the left side right here, and you go up once, and then you take the top, and you turn it right, and then you take this side, and you turn it down, and then you take this, and do that. And now if you do that 6 more times also, you'll have it completed again. But you don't really ever need to turn it 6 times in solving the Rubik's Cube. And then another algorithm is where you turn this side up once, and then you turn the top right, and then the right side down, top right, or left, I should say, and then this side up, and then top twice. And that, if you do that 6 times again, that also complete it. So if I quickly just do that, real quick, to have it solved again, so I can show you the next algorithm. And after I have this solved again, so now it's solved, and now the next algorithm will be where you turn this side up, so it's up here, and then you turn the top right, and then left side up, top left, right side down, top right, left side down. And if you do that 4 times, then you will actually complete it again after this. So remember, that side up, right, up, left, down, right, down, and that should be completed again. And those are the algorithms you need to remember. And also the 3 perks you need to know is the center, which is where all the sides are. So like this would be yellow side because the center is yellow, and all those, so orange and white. But then you also have the edge pieces, and those consist of 2 colors, which you'll need to know a lot. And then the corner pieces, which consist of 3 colors, and those you'll also need to use a lot. Okay. So first, if I go ahead and mix it up like this or something, mix it up however you want, and then just keep mixing up. And now, once it's all mixed up like that, you'll turn it so that the white side is on the bottom, and you'll make the daisy first, and you'll put all these white edges around the yellow center. So like this one, I'll just turn up so that's around that. And then I have some on the bottom, and if they're on the bottom right here, you'll turn it all the way up 180. And then this one's also on the bottom right there, so you'll also turn that up 180. And then you'll match this green, or look for any other matching ones if you want to. And this red is matching with its center. So you'll turn that, so that white side will then be on the bottom, the white edge will be on the white center right after that, so it'll look like that. And after that, you need to match up more of them, and you'll do the same thing, you'll just turn it 180. Do that with that one, to the green, and you find the last matching color and turn it 180. Now you should have that, and so remember, always keep the white side on the bottom. And right now, you need to look for corners with white on them. After you find this, like, let's say this is over here, to, like, it needs blue and red, so you'll turn it back to the blue and red side. So you have the blue and red and then white. And then if the red side is on the red, like the red corner part is on the red side, you'll do left algorithm. So up, right, down, left. And now we need to do the same with the green. So we'll turn it so that the green matches up with the green. And we'll do the same thing up. So up, right, down, left. And now we'll look for more. So this one's also doing the same thing. So we'll do this. And then right here, since the orange is matching up with the orange, we'll do right algorithm to just go up, left, down, right. And that bottom layer is completed. One thing you can also do is, if I quickly do that, so this is on the top, and you don't have any colors on each side. So if that's on the top, what you'll do is you'll turn it up once, go that way twice, and then turn it back, and now you just do the regular right algorithm. And if you can either do that, or you can just keep doing right algorithm, or left algorithm right there. And now, for the second part, we'll be looking for this second row. So we'll find any edges like this that don't have yellow on them, like this does. So this one has no yellow. So this one's a red. So we'll turn this so that matches up with its center color. So that's a straight line. And then the blue is on top. So it needs to go right here. And because it needs to go there, we're going to turn it right because it needs to go left. And then we're going to do left algorithm right here. We're going to turn it to the blue side because it needs to go here. And we're going to do right algorithm, and it's going to be right there. And now we'll look for more colors like that. And kind of like me, I have no pieces with yellow except for right here and here and here. And so if you don't have that, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to them. You'll do right algorithm, and then you'll do left algorithm, and it should now be on top. And then you'll just match that up with the same, do the same thing, just matching it up. It needs to go green, so you'll turn it that way, and then you'll just do that. So left algorithm because it needs to go this way, and then right algorithm. And now this one is blue, so you'll turn it to blue. Sometimes you'll need to turn it back because that's orange, so it just needs to go in the opposite direction where it needs to go from here. So you'll do that, left algorithm, and then right algorithm. And this one's red, so I'll turn it over to the red side. It needs to go here, so I'm going to turn it away from the green, like that. And then I'll do right algorithm, and then left algorithm. And now we should have the middle completed. And after that, you're going to need to get the yellow cross on the top. So you'll look for a piece, like, you could either have a dot, this line, the line, or the cross already there. And so you'll look for a piece that lines up with this. If you turn it and you turn that, it would line up. But don't do that yet. So you'll look for a piece like that. So it only could be this piece. So you'll turn it on its side. And then you'll go ahead and do left algorithm. So up, left, right, or down, right. And then you'll turn it back so that matches up again. Now you should have a line. Always keep the line horizontal. And you'll either find this one right here with line horizontal, or yeah, I think horizontal. And then this one right here, it doesn't really matter. So you'll just do the same thing where you turn it so that the white is on that side. And then right algorithm, so just up, left, down, right. And you'll turn it so that that's on the bottom again. Now you should have a cross. And after that, you need to line up this part with its center. So you'll find out this one only has one matching right now. So you'll turn it to see if any more match. This one matches and this one matches. If you have two across from each other that match, you can do this the exact, so you can do this algorithm anywhere. But right now you need to have, since the orange is on this side and the green's on this side, you need to have it so that the orange is in the back right here and the green's right here. And then once you do that, you do the this algorithm, we go up that way once, down that way, up that way twice. And after that, you turn it so that they match up. And then you'll look for corners that are correct. Like this one's correct. It has green, red, and yellow on it. So you'll look for corners like that. If you don't have any, do this step anywhere. So you'll keep that on the left side. And then you'll go ahead, go up once, turn it, go up, turn it, down, and you'll match them up again, like that. And now that one should still be corrected, and it didn't work the first time. So we'll need to go ahead and do that one again. And after we do that step again, all these corners should be matching up. And once those match up, like you see orange and green and yellow, and then if you have at least two matching up, you'll know it's correct. And so then this is where you'll actually break the rule I said earlier and make it so the yellow is on the bottom and the white's on the top. And once you do that, you'll have one of those incorrect corners in the right side. And so what you'll do is you'll do right algorithm a few times until you have that so that those corners are correct. Oh, and one more thing, never turn it from the side you choose to stay on. So always, like, just say, I chose green, so I don't turn it away from green. And once you have that corner, you'll then turn the bottom to the next incorrect one. And once you have that, you'll just do right algorithm a few times. Like, I have to do it more than two, like 4 this time. And then I have that one correct. And I'll turn the bottom again to the next one. And then I'll just do this a few times. And that one's correct now. And then I'll turn this, and it's the last one. So I'll just do this step a few more times. So I'll just keep doing right algorithm. And now that should be done.